Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janani. Today I'm gonna show you this trending clean makeup look with affordable and minimal products for dusky skin. So yeah, without further delay, let's get into the video. Before that, don't forget to click the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So without further delay, let's get into the video. First, I've prepped my skin, and for moisturizer today I've used the Neutriderm's moisturizing lotion, which is perfect for all skin types. And for my lips, I've used the Soap Square's Rose Gold Lip Tint. Now let's begin makeup. So I'm gonna zoom in today and show you the whole process. So first I'm gonna use the Belora Paris Illuminating Moisturizer. I love the pearly effect of this primer cum moisturizer, and yeah, it is good for all skin types and it doesn't enhances my skin texture. That's why I love it so much. So I'm gonna apply all over my skin to give that beautiful pearly glow. Then I'm using the PAC Cosmetics Take Cover Concealer in the shade Rusty Orange, and I'm applying it on areas wherever I have hyperpigmentation and acne marks, and I'm then blending it with a beauty blender. Now I'm using the same PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade 39 Gaze, and I'm just applying it on the areas wherever I use the orange corrector and wherever I need a bit more coverage to just cover off those pigmented areas. And I'm using a beauty blender to blend everything seamlessly. So that's my base makeup. To set everything in place, I'm using the Lakme 925 compact powder in the shade Honeydew, and I'm using the same beauty blender to just set the whole base makeup in place and to make the makeup last longer. So that's how my base makeup, a quick little 3-minute base makeup, looks like. Now to just enhance my facial features, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Contour D4 face palette, and I'm using the blush on the apples of my cheeks and a tad bit on the center of my nose with this beautiful PAC brush. Now to set everything, I'm just using the Swiss Beauty's natural makeup setting spray, and I'm spritzing it and then just dabbing with a beauty blender to just remove off any excess of the makeup. So yeah, this is how my makeup looks like today. Now to fill in my eyebrows, I'm using the Swiss Beauty's 2-in-1 eyebrow and gel eyeliner cum product. So I'm using the brush that comes with the package, and I'm just using short little strokes to first outline my eyebrows and then just filling in everything to give that natural yet filled grooming eyebrows. Now for eyes, to keep it natural as possible, I'm just using the same blush shade with a blending brush, and I'm just dusting it, I'm just dusting it all over my eyelid, and that's it, nothing else. And now I'm using the Nightcast Kajal to just tightline my waterline. Now I'm using the Loreal mascara. This is a false lashes mascara. First I'm applying the primer part of the mascara. I'm just giving a good 2 coats to give that fluffy voluminous and lengthened lashes. Now I'm using the H Beauty Spot Lipstick, and this is my ever favorite shade, Terrific Toffee, a beautiful nude shade for all our dusky skin beauties. So I'm just filling it my lips with this beautiful matte lipstick. Now I'm just gonna apply my mascara after the primer dries up. I'm giving again a good 1 to 2 coats of the mascara to give that voluminous, fluffy and bushy eyelashes, so that I don't need to apply a false lashes. I love this mascara so much, guys. I highly recommend you to try it out. Do give it a try, and I'm sure you will love it. Now to give that glossy and juicy lips, I'm applying the same that Rose Gold Lip Tint from Soap Square. Just I'm topping it on my lips to give that beautiful dewy effect. Now to have that highlighted, dewy and juicy skin, I'm just applying the highlighter from the same sugar palette, just a tad bit, not too much, on the cheekbones, just on the bridge of my nose and slightly on my eyebrow bone. That's the look. So this is the clean makeup look with minimal and affordable products. I hope you guys like this look. If you do so, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below if you like this look, and do you like my new short hairstyle as well. Also, do let me know what more videos do you want me to see next, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. You can also check my Instagram page stylefitwithjanu for skincare, haircare and makeup content. Until next time, bye.